And viewers, we have big breaking news coming in from Zagreb, where India's chess prodigy D. Gukesh has taken down world number one Magnus Carlsen again, and that too with black pieces. In round 6 of the Grand Chess Tour Super United Rapid, Gukesh seized a winning position and pushed it home, handing Carlsen a rare and a convincing defeat. And that win gives Gukesh a perfect 10 points from 12 and the sole lead as the day 2 concludes, and the teenager is absolutely on fire. So D. Gukesh stunning Magnus Carlsen again and taking a sole lead at the Grand Chess Tour after winning 5 games in a row. The teenager is definitely on fire, and after this win, D. Gukesh is in the sole lead with 10 out of 12 points. And now let's take a look at some other news from across the nation. Several pilgrims and visitors were stranded and waited anxiously for rescuers to clean the debris after a landslide struck Sonprayag on the Kedarnath road. Overseeing the ongoing rescue operations in the affected stretch, Rakendra Singh Katet, the station house officer of Sonprayag, said that falling debris from the landslide on account of heavy overnight showers cut off Mankatia on Sonprayag. He said around 2,000 people have already been rescued in the ongoing operations.
एक्चुअली ये जो है ये रात को ज़्यादा बारिश होने के कारण ये रात को ही गिरा था। रेस्क्यू करीब जो है 1500 से 2000 के बीच जिनके द्वारा यात्रा की जा चुकी है, और कुछ जो जाने वाली यात्री हैं 15 से 2000 के बीच में इनके हमारे द्वारा रेस्क्यू किया गया। यात्रा कंटिन्यू है और जगह जगह हमारी फोर्सेज है, सुरक्षा की दृष्टि से फोर्सेज लगी हुई है, और उस हिसाब से हम लोग जेसीबी थोड़ी रास्ता चौड़ा कराने के बाद फिर यात्रा सुचारू रूप से चालू करवा दी जाएगी।
Rajya Sabha will convene for its 268th session on 21st of July. The session was officially notified on a Thursday, saying that the members have been informed of the upcoming session on the official portal. And the sittings of the 268th session of the Upper House will be from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. and then from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Yog Guru and President and spiritual head of Paramath Niketan Ashram, Swami Chidanand Saraswati, performed a special aarti praying for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's successful visit to the Caribbean island of Trinidad and Tobago. Punjabi singer and former BJP MP Hansraj Hans was also present for this special aarti. The Prime Minister arrived at the Caribbean island on Thursday after winding up his visit to Ghana. The visits are part of the Prime Minister's ongoing 5-nation tour straddling 2 continents.